left hand there. Hey, this is Richie Dotson again from Chateau de Brie, a.k.a. my office, my shop. And what do we have here? This is a 1995 Gibson Earl Scruggs model for sale at banjomart.com. You can also find us on the web at acousticbox.com. And this is in great condition. It sounds amazing. It has a fourth string that will rattle your guts, as the old timers say. What a beautiful sunburst. All original. What can I say? Kind of one of those deals where go find another one. They're just Gibson hasn't made a banjo since May of 2010, I believe. So these in good condition are a treasure and a powerful addition to your banjo collection. If you like seeing these videos, click like, subscribe, click all the things, and visit us at acousticbox.com, or if you're shopping, well, visit us at banjomart.com, and thank you again for watching.